These are the extremely robust and compact cordless drill drivers in the Bosch Robust series, the Gsr 14.4 and the Gsr 18Ve-2Li Professional. Both cordless drill drivers are extremely powerful thanks to motors with 75 Nm in the 14.4 volt class and even more powerful 80 Nm in the 18 volt class. The compact design with a head length of only 213 mm enables perfect handling even in tight spaces. These tools also impress with their flexible DuraShield housing. It enables them to remain fully functional even after falling from a height of 2 meters onto concrete. The unique electronic motor protection EMP automatically shuts down the motor in the event of an overload, thus ensuring a long lifetime. Experience for yourself the extremely robust and compact cordless drill drivers, the Gsr 14.4 and the Gsr 18Ve-2Li Professional. Of course, in the practical L-box.